Understanding and modifying Keypup's metric documentation. In the realm of software engineering metrics, it's not uncommon for individuals who didn't create a particular metric to struggle with understanding how it has been calculated, why it matters, and how to improve it. This lack of clarity can hinder effective decision-making and impede progress within an organization. That's why documenting metrics is key to ensuring that everyone involved has a comprehensive understanding of the metric's purpose, calculation, and potential areas for improvement. In this video, we'll show you how to access and modify your metrics documentation. Let's get started. To access any metrics documentation, click on the question mark button located next to the insight title. This will open a tooltip containing all the information about the insight. To modify the metrics documentation, click on the Edit button located at the top right of the insight and select Edit Insight. Then, click on the Document Insight button located on the left navigation panel and edit your documentation to best suit your needs. Once done, save your insight and verify your changes. That's it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.